Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on the application of DuckDuckGo. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about DuckDuckGo app and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.